Hi students, welcome back to online classes. I am Christopher. In this class, we are discussing second class mathematics. Mathematics second standard. So in this class, let us discuss comparison of numbers. How to compare numbers. Comparison is nothing but which is big number and which is small number. So how to identify big numbers and small numbers. So let us understand and you will exercise. So you have some exercise problems. You have to do it. Then only you will develop your thinking ability and thinking power. Okay. And when you practice only, you will understand more. So let us observe some examples. I will give some examples and I will explain very neatly and clearly. So first you listen carefully, then you will do the exercise. First example 1. Let us compare two numbers. Example 1. 104 and 86. 104 and 86. So compare these two numbers. Example 1. Compare 104 and 86. So how to find which number is big number and which is small number? So if you observe 104, how many hundreds are there? Only 1. That means 100. Okay. How many tens are there? 0 tens. How many ones are there? 4 ones. So like that you can understand. That means here 3 digits are there. So if you see how many hundreds are there here? No hundreds. Only 2 digits are there. So no hundreds. How many tens are there? 8 tens are there. How many ones are there? 6 ones are there. So simply by observing the number of digits, you can understand which is big number and which is small number. So here in 104, that means 104 and 86, which is big number? 104 is big number and 86 is small number. How to write this big number and small number? We have to use this greater than and less than. For example, if you want to write 104 and 86, in between if you want to write the symbol mathematically, which symbol you have to write? This is less than and this is greater than. So here left side 104 is there. So 104 is greater than 86. So you have to write greater than symbol. Here write greater than symbol. Okay. For example, 86 is left side and 104 is right side. Now which symbol we have to write? Less than symbol. 86 is less than 104. So like that you can write with the symbols. We can represent numbers. Okay. So this is example 1. Let us see example 2. If the number of digits are equal, how to compare? Let us see. Example 2. Compare 276 and 284. 276 and 284. So now let us write how many ones are there, how many tens are there, how many hundreds are there. So how many hundreds? 2 hundreds. Here hundreds place 2 is there and tens place 7 tens. Ones place 6. So 6 ones. 2 hundreds, 7 tens, 6 ones. Okay. And when you go to another number 284, that means how many hundreds are there? 2 hundreds. Here also hundreds how many? 2 only. Tens how many? 8. Ones how many? 4. So when you observe hundreds place in both the numbers same. Here 200s, in this number also 200s. So hundreds place is same. Then next place, tens place you have to compare. Here 7 and here is 8. Okay, so 7 is smaller than 8. So this is a big number and this is small number. So when you write by using greater than and less than symbols, how to write? For example, 276, 276. Here box is given 284. How to write? Which symbol we have to place? Whether it is less than or greater than. Which symbol you have to write? Yes, 276 is less than 284. Okay? 276 is less than 284. So, which symbol you have to write? Less than symbol. Write less than. Okay? Understand? For example, 284 left side is there and 276 right side is there. Now which symbol we have to place here? 284 is a big number, 276 is a small number. So you have to place greater than. 284 is greater than 276. So like that, when the number of digits equal, first we have to compare hundreds place. If hundreds place is same, compare tens place. Okay? If tens place also same, what to do? Let us take another example. Okay? Example 3. 926. 929. Now we have to compare hundreds place, tens place and ones place. How many hundreds are there? 9 hundreds. Okay, 9 hundreds. How many tens are there? 2 tens. How many ones are there? 6 ones. Okay, so like that, here also in this 929, how many hundreds are there? 9 hundreds. How many tens are there? 2 tens. How many ones are there? 9 ones. Okay, observe again. 926. 926. How many hundreds are there? 9 hundreds. How many tens are there? 2 tens. How many ones are there? 6 ones. Okay. Same. Here also 929. How many hundreds are there? 9 hundreds. Here also 900. 900s, 900s equal. Next place, tens place. 2 tens, 2 tens equal. Ones place, how many ones are there? 9 ones are there. So here 6 ones are there. Here 9 ones are there. So 6 ones is smaller than 9 ones. 9 ones is greater than 6 ones. Okay. So now which is big number? 929 is a big number. This is small number. So when you want to write by using symbols, how to write? First 926 and 929. Middle you have a box. You have to write symbol, either less than or greater than. 926 is a small number. So that is why 926 is less than 929. Which symbol you have to write? Less than. For example, 929 left side is there. 926 right side is there. Which symbol you have to write now? Tell me. Yes. Which symbol? Greater than. Because 929 is big number, greater than 926. Do you understand? So like that, you can compare the numbers. By observing these three examples, you can write any numbers is given like this, two numbers, and middle, if a gap is given like a box, you can write less than and greater than simply. Okay, so you have some problems in the page number 88. So those who have textbooks, you can see page number 88. If you do not have textbook, I will show this page in the screen. You can write down and write in your notebook. So in the page number 88, so many numbers are there given. So you have to write either less than or greater than. Okay, next one, rearrange the following in ascending order by observing these three examples, which is big number, which is small number. So if you know which one is big number, which one is small number, you can write the numbers in ascending order and descending order also. So let us write ascending and descending orders. So I will take the first one, the remaining two you have to complete. Rearrange the following in ascending order. So here we have numbers given, 6 numbers are given. By observing these numbers, we have to arrange the numbers in ascending order in the given blanks. Okay, so this is ascending order. What is ascending order? You know that ascending order is nothing but small to big numbers. First we have to write a small number, then slowly we have to write to the big numbers. Okay, first the given numbers we have to observe. How many numbers are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers are given. In the 6 numbers, observe how many digits are there. Number of digits. Okay, so for example here 1, 2, 3 digits are there. Here also 3 digits are there. Here 2 digits only. This is a 2-digit number. And this is how many digits? 1, 2, 3. 3 digits are there. Here also 3 digits, 3 digits. This one only 2-digit number. That means this is a small number. Okay, we have to write it first. What is this number? 94. Write 94 here. Next, this is completed. Okay, next the remaining 5 numbers we have to observe carefully. First we will compare hundreds place. Here how many hundreds are there? 1 only. Here 4. It's a big number. Leave it. Here also 1. Okay. Here 4, 3. Okay. Leave it. So compare this one and this one. Hundreds place in both the numbers is same. Here 1 is there. Here also 1 is there. Then compare next number. Tens place, here 9 is there, here 6 is there. So 6 is small number comparing with 9. So we have to write this number as a second number, 168. Right here, 168. Okay, then almost the third number becomes 194. Because comparing with other hundreds place, this is the 1. That is why third number written. Then the remaining you can compare. So this is 4 in hundreds place. Here also 4 in hundreds place. Here only 3. So this is the fourth number. 3 is smaller than 4. That is why let write 315. Next we have only two numbers. Here 4, here also 4. Tens place, if you observe, here is 0, it is 9. So it's a big number. This is a small number, right? 402. Then finally 491. So this is the ascending order of numbers. Given numbers like that we can compare and we can write it in ascending order. So descending order is another model. Okay. So that is big to small. First we will write big number, then we will go to small numbers. I will tell you the remaining two, you do it. Okay. Rearrange the following in descending order. Let us observe the next one. Rearrange the following numbers in descending order. Before one ascending order, this is descending order. Okay. Descending order is nothing but big to small. Okay. Now we have to find out in the given numbers which is the big number. How to find out? We have to find out first number of digits we have to count. Whether all the numbers have same number of digits, equal number of digits. How many digits are there here? 3. Here 3. Here also 3. All numbers have 3 digits only. So now we have to find out a big number. How to find out big number? Compare hundreds place first. Here what is the place? Okay, what is the number in hundreds place? 1. Here 4, 3, 4, 5, 3. So which one is big number in hundreds place? Hundreds place. 3, 5, 4, 3, 4, 1. So we have 5 is the big number in hundreds place. So that's why this is the big number 540. Write first 540. Okay. Then after that 5 after. Which one is the big number? We have to write. This is 3 in hundreds place. Here 4. Here 3. Here 4. So 4 is the biggest number. Next biggest number is 4. But here we have two numbers in hundreds place. That means here is 4, here also 4. Then compare tens place. Tens place here 1, here 0. Which one is big? 1 is big. That means 414. 414 is the next number. Okay. Obviously, the next one is 402. This is the third number. The remaining 3 numbers we have to compare. Okay. So, in this number, in hundreds place, 3 is there. In this number, also 3 is there. Tens place, here 1 is there. Here also 1 is there. That means both the numbers have same digits in hundreds place and tens place. Now we have to compare ones place. Here ones place 5 is there. Here only 2 is there. So which one is big? 5 or 2? 5 is big. So we have to write 315. So this is the next biggest number. Then the next biggest number is 312. 3, 1, 2. So we have only one number, final one, 168. Okay, observe once clearly. 540 is the biggest number, then 414, then 402, 315, 312 and 168. So this is the descending order of given numbers. Like that we can write descending order of given numbers. So 2 more problems are there. You have to write down as it is. And the next 2 Romans ring the largest numeral. So one set of numbers are given, so we have to find out just largest number and another set smallest number. I will tell you one, the remaining three you have to do it. Ring the largest numeral. Okay. Ring the largest numeral. Okay, next one, ring the largest numeral. So one set of numbers are given, we have to find out largest numeral and another set we have to find out smallest numeral. Observe here, ring the largest numeral. Here numbers are given 416, 198, okay, 560, 111, 500. So which one is the largest number? So we have to ring that number. So how to compare? First hundreds place. Here 4 is there, here 1 is there, here no hundreds place, here 5 is the hundreds place, here 1, here also 5. Okay, so in two numbers we have 5 in hundreds place. So that means these two are big numbers first. So then we have to compare these two numbers. So tens place also compare. What is the digit in tens place? 6. Here 0. 6 is the big number than 0. So we have to circle this number. 560 is the largest number in the given set of numbers. Okay, like that. Next one, smallest number we have to circle. Here we have to compare hundreds place. 4, 5, 3, 6, 5, 6. So which number is smallest in hundreds place? 3. The remaining all are 4. Here this is 4, 5, 6, 5, 4. So this is smallest number in hundreds place. So it is the smallest number. Okay. So like that you can ring the smallest number. Here you can ring the largest number. So like that the remaining 3 more sets are there. You have to ring the, okay, first set ring the largest number and the second sets can ring smallest numbers. Okay. So my dear children, I think you have understood this. So do your homework, page number 88 and 89. So I will show you in the screen. You just complete this task and take a screenshot and share in our group. Thank you. We will meet again in the next class. Bye bye.